once again. And first of all, thank you so much for my first 100 subscribers. I'm very thankful for the ones who are watching me and have subscribed to Spoonful Easy Cooking. So thank you so much once again for the encouragement and watching me. So welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a very easy energy rolls. So you can make this and store it for approximately 1 month. But I'm sure it will not last for 1 month. It will just last for 2 to 3 days because it's really yummy and healthy for your kids and for yourself as well. So without much delay, let me show you what are the ingredients what we need for energy rolls. Here we have taken dates, one big bowl of chopped dates. Any sweet version of dates you can take. I have taken half bowl of cashew nuts chopped. I have taken pistachio, half bowl chopped. You can take more dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, whatever is your preference. These are the only available ingredients, so I am showing you at this moment. This is one bowl of Mary biscuit I have chopped and kept. You can take any biscuits also as per your choice. It can be arrowroot biscuit, it can be digestive biscuits, any of them. This is the powdered Mary biscuit for rolling at the end. And what we need is 1 tablespoon of ghee for roasting. So let's get started without much delay. I have switched on the gas and kept a pan on it. First we will roast the cashew nuts and pistachio. Both of them we will put and dry roast it. So this will take approximately 3 minutes to dry roast. As soon as the dry roast happens, we can get the aroma. At that point of time, we will transfer it to a plate. Now this is almost 5 minutes. Aroma has started coming. It's almost roasted. So at this point of time, we can transfer it to the plate. Transfer it to the plate. Let's dust it completely. Yes. Now to the pan, we add 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you want ghee, you can add ghee or else you can add butter as well. It's upon you. I have taken ghee here, 2 teaspoons. Once the ghee starts melting, we shall add the sweet version of sweet dates. You can take any dates of your choice, but make sure it is sweeter one. Don't take dry dates because we are not adding any sweetener to this dish. We are not taking any jaggery or sugar or anything. So dates the only sweetener in this energy roll. So the chopped dates, we shall stir it. We shall stir this until the date starts melting. So it will take around maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Let's see. Okay, in medium flame, please stir it. This is approximately after 5 to 7 minutes. Our dates are all mixed very well in the ghee. Now to this we add, our flame is on medium to low. Don't make it on high. To this we add the chopped Mary biscuit or any biscuit you have taken. You can take wheat biscuit, any brand, arrowroot biscuit, digestive biscuit, any of them, which suits the taste. Stir it very well and let's add our roasted dry fruits. Now give a good stir. On low to medium flame. The ingredients, whatever is at our home, let's adjust with that for these difficult days and make our kids happy. healthy things. Let's make and give them. So this is the stage where we can switch off the flame. Let us switch off the flame and let the whole mixture be cool. Let's keep this mixture to cool down. Maybe we can transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. Wasn't that very easy? Let us allow it to cool for 10 minutes. This is approximately after 10 minutes. Just check whether you can handle. Yes, it's slightly warm now. So we can handle to roll. So what you have to do, take little ghee on your palm, grease it, take small size of balls. See, this way, balls you do, roll it in the biscuit powder, this way, keep it. So let's take small rounds. This is optional. If you wish to do, you can do. Otherwise, you can just omit. You can just simply roll it. See this way. You can either keep this way or the other way, whichever you like. Children sometimes, if they see dry fruits, they don't eat. So this is the secret recipe, secret idea you should do. So they don't see what is there in it. Dry fruits, first itself they will say no. So this is how I make my kids eat. They will see the video, then they will understand the idea, right? So you can just roll it, the biscuit powder, and keep it. So like that, let's roll rest of the energy rolls and present it. So hope you will try this energy rolls and give to your kids. It's really amazing. Do try it. We can get approximately 20 energy rolls out of it, and make it and do let me know how you like this recipe. Okay.